I don't know how long it's been since I have actually done a deep cleansing of my makeup brushes. I do have a spray from Sephora that is intended on keeping your brushes clean in between usages, and that's just until you actually do a deep, thorough cleansing of your brushes. But like I said, I can't remember the last time I've cleaned them, can't remember the last time I spritzed them. And I said, after I got off of work today, I was like, I've been needing to clean my brushes for so long now. I'm going to go ahead and clean them when I get home, and I thought I'd go ahead and record a quick video and show you guys a really quick and efficient way to do it. A lot of people use like a gentle soap, some type of mild soap to I don't know what that was. I was trying to think of the word. Some type of mild soap to clean their brushes. But lucky for me, since my daughter's skin doesn't really do too well with like baby soaps, I feel like it really just dries her out. I'm going to be using her baby soap, and that's what we're going to use to clean our makeup brushes today. I will forewarn you, I know my beauty blenders look gross. Honestly, I've had them for quite some time, and I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing. I think it says a lot in saying that they are still intact. Some of the dirt, like this one's new. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Like, let's take this one, for instance. I think a lot of this is not going to come out. It's a lot of staining just because it's been not only dirty for so long, but because this is a pretty old beauty blender. And I want to say, I mean, it could very well be a year or better old. A year old or better. But yeah, the point is that I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually clean. You're going to know it's clean because the water is going to run clear, but some of the coloration, or discoloration rather, may still be on some of the beauty sponges that I have. This one is a little bit newer, but it was cheaper, so I don't know really how good that will clean out. So yeah, I'm going to try not to ramble too much, you guys, but like I said, a lot of times people will use a really mild soap and clean their brushes, and because they're using a milder soap, what they'll do is add like a vegetable oil or some type of oil to kind of give it a more softness, or to help keep the softness of the bristles. But I'm not going to do that. We're just going to use one product today, and that is Baby Magic. You can use Johnson & Johnson. I kind of ran through that bottle already with Chloe. So this was the bottle she was on when I said she needs something better for her skin. So I'm just going to use what I have. Like I said, feel free to use a soap of your choice. The reason I'm not putting an oil with this is because it already has kind of like moisturizers in it. So this has lavender and chamomile in it. And it has a good smell. And yeah, styrofoam plate. It's going to make cleaning so much more quicker and efficient. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So go ahead and pour a plate full of soap. We're going to need lots of it. I don't have a ton of brushes, but I have enough where I need more soap than this. So I'm kind of doing my face brushes first, and then I'll do my eyes second. So just refill soap as needed. I'm running the water lukewarm. Just touch it and make sure you're not burning the skin off your fingers, because they are going to be our cleaning tools. So here's the first brush I'm using. This is my blush brush I just recently purchased in one of my last vlogs, or recent vlogs I did. So we're gonna just work a lather into the palm of our hands. And I'm sorry guys, I know this is not the best angle. It does get a little bit better, I promise, kind of. So yeah, just work up a good lather and then rinse it out. And you're gonna just keep repeating that process until the water runs clear. So again, just put some more soap on the brush if you need to. Work a lather into the palm of your hand and go ahead and, as I'm doing, squeeze out the excess after you rinse it off. And I'm going to go ahead and use my hands to kind of shape the brush back together before laying it down on the placemat or towel or whatever you have. And then after a moment, I'm going to speed this video up so I don't bore you guys watching me clean all of my brushes one by one. But I just want you to see, again, the same process, the same steps. I'm applying the soap, swirling it around in my hands, working up a good lather, squeezing out the excess water, just repeating those steps until all of the brushes are clean, my hands don't have any makeup on them, and the water is running clear. Okay guys, so I understand that, you know, some of you may have just as much space as I do, which is nothing, or more space. Do whatever is comfortable for your situation. I literally have no counter space. So I've just placed an older towel right here and just put all of my brushes. Some of them are overlapping. Yes, I know it's going to take longer to dry that way, but they are all clean and laid out. And it doesn't really matter now which order I did them in because I tried to do my face, then my eye brushes, but they're all right here lumped together. I went ahead and called it quits on the other beauty blenders. I was like, they're just so old. And then they did start shredding as I was really like trying to squeeze and clean them. So this is my only one right now, which is fine because, I mean, hey, you see how long I keep them apparently, so it doesn't really matter. But my brushes are clean, they smell good, they look good, and it's been a long time. I am so sorry, my babies. Forgive me. But yeah, you guys, I hope that video was helpful and insightful in some ways. It's just a really quick and simple way to clean your brushes. Like I said, they smell good, they're going to be soft, and it's not going to, you know, get any harshness to it because you're using a soap. It's a baby soap. I mean, if it's something good enough to put on your baby, why can't you put it on your brushes too, you know? So you don't have to buy any oils or special cleansers for your brushes. This works just fine, and chances are it's not going to break your skin out because it's safe enough to use and gentle enough to use for a baby. So that is all I have for you today, my loves. Until next time, bye.